So we have Eddie. What's your Instagram?
OMG. Well, underscore OMG. It's Eddie.
There you go. So I'll probably put it right here. And so we're gonna swap out wheels today, just because he wants to get some aggressive wheels for his next set, and so he wants to test fit mine. And so mine are 17s by 9.5 with 20 offset. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on his Rolla over here. See how they fit, you know, if he likes it or not, and we'll go from there. So it'll be kind of weird because why would it be weird? It is weird because it's not my wheels, so I think it'll look a little different. So he's just trying to loosen everything up so we can swap it out. 17 by 8.5.
Yeah.
So
30
that's
offset.
30 offset.
Yeah.
So that's where you're gonna get with those wheel specs. And it doesn't look bad.
Not really. It just gives it that flush look.
Yeah, it's a very flush look. It seems like it has a little bit less lip than mine, just because
The design to it.
yeah. No, it's the offset, I believe, and how wide the wheel is.
Yeah,
So
yours is like what, 9.5?
mine are 9.5.
Okay.
There's like 8.5. Oh, let me show you the interior. Might as well.
The interior looks fucking sick. And the do you still have the what is it, piece in the trunk?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks sick in the trunk.
I remember
Here,
seeing the trunk.
Go this way. So if you want, you could sit in it. I don't care. So I did like pillars. I wrapped the interior blue and everything. Might be a little messy. I don't know.
That's a fucking huge ass screen.
That's aftermarket. He took off the OEM one.
Yeah.
That's like a what, 10 inch you said?
10-inch.
Yeah, 10 inch.
What brand is that?
It's non-branded. So,
Really?
yeah, but it's Android.
It's a tablet.
A lot of people
It
say
is
that.
actually pretty much. It has YouTube, internet.
You did the tablet conversion. Pretty much.
Well, it came like that, and I just put it on.
That's fucking awesome.
Looks sick.
That looks
I'm jelly.
Toyota Fest.
like that, honestly.
Toyota Fest is coming up.
Oh my god, that's a fucking huge ass screen. I fucking like that.
I like the seats in these.
That's stock.
I know. I just like them. They're way better than my gen.
Yeah, they really redesigned the whole Corolla.
Mm-hmm.
And this
More
is,
of a VIP look.
I know, right? Oh no, it came apart, but basically it's entirely wood. So I jacked my car up and took off my wheels. And if you're wondering, it is it's D2 suspension, D2 coilovers is what I have on the Rolla. So that's how it looks like with no wheels on the side. And then we already put on one. He wants to do only one side, but maybe we'll throw all four. We'll see.
Yeah, hopefully it's not like tucked. It's not tucked.
No, it's not gonna tuck.
Watch it does. I'm like, whoa.
Alright. You said you're on Megan Racing coilovers, so we could adjust them low now. See how much is poking out in the rear?
Oh, I didn't notice it. Fuck. So, time to go wide body.
Yeah.
Mars got that fender roller too.
That's true. I forgot. One of the techs over there has a fender roller.
Yeah, you definitely need camber if you're gonna run.
Oh, wait.
It's the little knob.
Yeah, we're not down there. At the very bottom.
Okay, I see.
I see. Yeah.
No, yeah.
Slowly, okay?
Slowly.
To the left? Yeah.
You loosen.
Very slowly.
Keep going.
Oh. That's it. Oh. Keep going. Keep going. That's it.
That's it.
Hey, you won't run.
Sadly, I would have to fucking lower it.
You need to lower the front just a little bit. just a little bit.
Holy shit! With these, fucking it gives it more wheel gap. Because with my rims, it's like one finger gap. I could just feel it with two right here. That's crazy.
So you measure your wheel gap by fingering your
Yeah.
car.
Yeah.
So if you could fist it like every stock Corolla there is, we have a problem. We gotta close that wheel gap here. But hey, it doesn't look too bad though, honestly.
No.
Just like if it was lower and the rear was cambered, it looked pretty good.
Yeah. Let me see that.
Okay, what do you think?
Yeah. I like
good?
them. It's just I'll have to get different sizes than yours. Because for yours, it fits perfectly. For mine, I would have to lower it a lot more.
Well, all you have to do is just lower the coils.
Yeah.
How it looks like from the front.
Is it lower all the way? Oh, it is lower all the way.